Hi, I'm Kathleen with Reverie Coffee Roasters, and today I'm going to show you how to make espresso. Begin by removing the portafilter from your espresso machine and wipe the inside of the basket with a clean towel. After the basket is totally dry, place it on a scale and zero it out. Next, place the portafilter into your grinder and begin grinding. Run until your basket is full with a slight mound in the center, then place back onto your scale. We need exactly 20 grams of coffee, so add or remove coffee as needed. Place the portafilter on the edge of the counter, and using a tool or your hand, evenly disperse the coffee in the basket. Grab your tamp as if it were a doorknob and apply flat, even pressure to the coffee. Wipe away any extra grounds. Secure the portafilter tightly into the machine and press the start button. Place the glass directly below the spouts. Our machine will dose the amount of liquid for us, but if yours isn't volumetric, continue pulling until you have 2 ounces, or ideally 40 grams of espresso in your glass. Our goal is to reach this amount of liquid between 25 to 35 seconds. If you end up way outside this time, grind finer to slow it down or coarsen it to speed it up. As always, adjust to taste. After your shot is done pulling, stop the machine and remove the portafilter. Gently knock the spent coffee out of the filter and wipe down your station. And now that our coffee is ready, sip and enjoy while fresh. Thanks for watching.
Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to catch all of our new videos as they come out, or give us a follow online at Reverie Roasters.